Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to update your organization's profile and account settings on Kuja. Keeping your profile complete and up to date helps other users learn more about your organization, connect with your team, and discover your work more easily. Let's get started. To begin with, click on My Profile. Start by adding or updating your organization's point of contact. This should be someone who already has an individual Kuja account and is authorized to represent your organization. Adding a point of contact makes it easier for others to connect with the right person within your organization. Next, add your organization's social media links. This allows visitors to learn more about your work and stay connected through your official channels. You can also showcase your organization's projects. Adding projects helps demonstrate your experience, highlight your impact, and give potential partners a better understanding of your work. Next, add your partners and networks. Highlighting your collaborations help build credibility and demonstrates the relationships that support your organization's work. Once you have updated your organization details, review your profile to ensure the information is accurate and complete. Accessing profile settings. To begin, click on your organization's name in the top right corner of the navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. Within Settings, you can update your organization's name and location, manage your email address, select your preferred language, or if necessary, choose to delete your account. Under Visibility Settings, you can decide who can view your profile and who is able to connect with your organization through the platform. Choose the settings that best suit your organization's preferences. In Notification Settings, select the types of updates you'd like to receive from Kuja. Customizing your notifications helps you stay informed about the activities and opportunities that matter most to your organization. To review your latest notifications, click the bell icon in the top right corner of the navigation bar. Here you'll find updates about your activity and interactions across the platform. To access your messages, select the envelope icon. This is where you can view and manage conversations with other Kuja users and organizations. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your organization profile and account settings on Kuja. Keeping your information current helps you make the most of the platform and strengthens your organization's visibility within the Kuja community. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other Kuja tutorials to learn more about Kuja's features.